Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm inside Nashik on a cucumber farm. I'm currently at the first stage of production, and the name of their variety is Saga. Okay, it's quite different. This is light green. They prefer the white and light green one. What I noticed is that the production seems the same, but the setup looks more solid. Like you can see the proper land preparation, mulch bags well laid, and in, let's say, 15 days time they will start mounting their bamboo. This production, it's a cash builder with crop. This is a 45 days production, and just a single row from this end to the other end can give you 2 baskets. And currently the rate here is a basket is selling for 300 rupees, and you can count the number of rows, 1 2 3 4, almost about 24 rows, 24 here. So this is more profitable than the cabbage, and it gives you money every day. The harvesting duration is 48 baskets, right?
Yes.
48 baskets on half an acre every single day. So you see money every day. This is Startup GH. If this is your first time, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me take you around the farm. So which type of cucumber is this? Which type is this?
Sagar.
This is called Sagar. Many varieties.
There are many varieties.
There are many varieties of cucumber.
But this one is Sago. Okay.
This uncle and the auntie is there. They are working in their farms.
Okay.
Yes.
Where do you get the seed? I think I can see the
In nursery.
nursery.
Yes.
This is Sago.
Yes. These are cucumbers. This is used for salad.
Salad.
Yes.
Okay.
And for we can eat as a healthy food. This is healthy food.
Okay.
And, they grow like this. These are veins.
Okay, let's go inside. How many months?
काका याला किती दिवस लागतील?
45 days.
45 days.
Yes.
After getting it from the nursery.
Yes.
Nursery.
First, we go to nursery and put the seeds on this. This is called mulching paper.
They are mulching bag.
Yeah. And then they grow, and for support, the bamboos are. Look.
The bamboos.
Yes, these are bamboos for support.
Okay.
Yes.
And you use wire to support it.
Yes. Wires also. This threads also.
Okay.
This is the first stage of growing cucumber, and this is the final.
The first stage is the land preparation stage.
Yes.
So after the land preparation, you lay your mulch bag.
Yes.
After the mulch bag, you get your seeds from
Nursery.
the nursery.
Yes.
Then you do the planting.
Yes.
Okay. What is he spraying?
Which chemical?
Ask him what chemical is he spraying.
This is called Benga.
What does he do? What is a
White.
For flies.
flies? White flies.
Yes, white flies.
Okay. So how many months from this stage before this stage?
15 दिवस झाले याला आता. आणि
They plant their seeds before 15 days.
15 days.
Yes, 15 days before they plant, and for a total cycle to 45 days.
45 days. Then you start harvesting.
he is 60 days.
This is 60 days. Okay. How many days this one?
15 days.
15 days.
50 days.
Okay. What is the size of the farm?
एक बिघा आहे. एक बिघाला तर काय घालतो इंग्लिशमध्ये?
What is 8 bigger?
1 acre.
Hectare.
1 acre.
Yes.
Okay. And how many crates can you get in one harvest?
1 acre झाडामध्ये किती काकड्या भेटते पण?
2-3 झाड आहे.
तीन झाड? This
एका सरीला.
in one row.
One row?
2-3 carrots are filled.
1 row, 2.
2-3 carrots are filled.
Okay. How many rows? How many rows do you have?
किती गाड्या असतील?
किती हे गाड्या आहे? 24.
24.
24 rows.
Yes.
24 times 2. That's 48. Okay. What is the rate of one crate?
एक
आपी आता 300 रुपये जागेवर.
Today 300. One for 1 carat. 300 rupees price.
300 rupees. Okay. The variety. What is the name of this variety?
Sagar.
Sagar.
Saga. Okay. Okay. Ciao. Ask him that what are some of the disease that can attack this plant?
White flies
Okay.
and let me show you.
Okay.
Like this disease are
What caused it?
याला काय म्हणतात?
रोग का?
हा?
लाल कोळी.
लाल कोळी कसे म्हणतात?
What is lalukuli?
This is disease. Name of disease.
The name of this is lalukuli.
Yeah, yes, in Marathi.
Marathi. Okay. How do you call it in Hindi?
असा राहतोय.
Hindi also. In Hindi.
Lalukuli. Okay.
Start from there and end from there, the leaves.
It starts like this.
स्टार्ट इधर से होता है
Okay.
और एंड उधर.
So for this plant, this type of cucumber, how many times do you harvest before the plant dies? How many times do you harvest the plant before the plant dies off?
In which time that can do?
More than 20 times they can pluck.
They can pluck.
Yes.
Okay. How does what is the rate of plucking? Every day they pluck or every 2 days?
No, every day.
Every day they pluck.
Yes.
So you pluck now, tomorrow you come and pluck again.
Yes.
Interesting.
Tomorrow morning you will
Tomorrow morning, same.
sir.
Come. Okay, one here. This angle. Okay, let's go. Harvest together. One here. See,
Yes.
here. Good. Come.
Yes, we can. Cucumber tastes better when we don't give water.
Water.
Yes.
It tastes bitter when you don't give water.
Yes.
Okay. So they have to give water every day.
No, not every day.
एक दिवसाआड.
Ha.
One day.
Before one day.
day.
After 2 days. Yes.
Okay. And they're harvesting too every day.
Ha. Yes.
Every day harvesting.
रोज.
Okay.
After 40 days harvesting food daily.
If you compare cucumber to cabbage, which one is more profitable in this area?
2 minutes. काकडी आणि कोबी मध्ये काय प्रॉफिट होतं म्हणजे किती कोणाचं जास्त प्रॉफिट होतं?
आता कोबीचं तर काहीच प्रॉफिट नाही पण मग काकडी परवडते हो.
Broccoli, cucumber is
हा कुकुंबर मोर प्रॉफिटेबल.
More profitable.
Yes.
It's faster.
Yes.
45 days, money is ready.
Yes.
Okay. How is the demand?
पण आहे ना कोबी एकदा काढल्यावर परत काढता येत नाही तशी काकडी
हा मग तेच
त्याच्यामुळे प्रॉफिट होते.
What did he say?
When we plant
Okay.
the cabbage,
Okay.
when we sell the cabbage,
Okay.
then cabbage don't grow
Okay.
next. But when we plant the cucumber,
Okay.
the plant grows and we have to pluck, harvest every day.
Oh, I don't understand.
That's why it's profit.
Yeah, that's why.
One time the cabbage.
Okay, I'm understanding you. For the cabbage, you harvest only once.
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
but for the cucumber,
absolutely.
every day you harvest.
Yes.
So every day you see money.
गेली
Okay.
ना
rate
तर
वाढते.
500 रुपये जाऊ शकते.
His rate is not stable. His rate is
Okay.
high,
Low.
low, high, low.
But
Rate is
the current rate now is 300.
301 carat.
One crate.
मागच्या वर्षी 800 रुपये कॅरेट होतं.
Last year, 80, 100 rupees 1 carat for 1 carat.
Okay.
मागच्या वर्षी.
Last year.
Okay.
Yes. The
Okay.
rate is not stable.
Okay. And ask him, how is the work on this? Is it difficult than cabbage?
म्हणजे काकडी जास्त हे काय म्हणतात, अवघड आहे का कोबी जास्त?
नाही काकडी अवघड आहे.
Cucumber is very
Difficult.
difficult.
Very difficult.
Yes.
What makes it difficult?
हा रोग आला ना त्याला सारखी स्प्रे मारा.
When the disease comes, farmers
आता
get
तिकडे
sad
तिकडे पाणी तुंबलं होतं ना.
and
लगेच जोडून
every day harvesting is there. So
You get tired.
yes,
Okay.
farmers get tired.
Okay.
त्याला सांगायला याला डॉक्टर बी लावा लागतो स्पेशल.
For cucumber, there is a special doctors.
Okay.
या टायमाला नाही
Who is the special doctor?
We don't know.
उगले सर उगले
Ugle sir.
Who is Ogle, sir?
नाशिक
Cucumber sir. Doctor.
You have a cucumber doctor.
Yes. Yes.
He visits if there is any disease.
Yes.
Wow, interesting. Cucumber doctor. So that's like, I think that would be like an extension officer. How many times does he visit the farm? How many times does the doctor visit the farm?
किती वेळा येते हो?
15 दिवसांनी एकदा.
After 15 days.
Every 15 days.
Yes.
Who pays the doctor?
1000 रुपये बी देते.
1,000 rupees per visit.
1,000 rupees per visit.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Ram. Okay. So this is the harvest. Is it difficult to harvest?
हे जास्त हे का अवघड आहे का हार्वेस्ट करायला?
भरपूर आहे नाही काय याला
Yes.
काटे असतात
Yes.
ही पानांना काटे असतात एका हाताला हे टुचतात
Okay.
Yes.
I think she's saying the leaves.
ग्लोव्स घालायला लागते हाताला
Hold him gloves. He has to give you gloves. Okay.
आणलेले आहे पण मग ते कसं ते- आणलेले पण कसं म्हणते
Okay. He has to give you gloves. These are not the kind of cucumber we have in our country. We have the green one.
Yes.
Ours is very green, not like this one. But India likes this one. Ask him, this variety, is there any different variety apart from this one?
हा, वेगवेगळ्या व्हरायटी नाही का?
आहे.
नाव काय त्याचं?
सागर आहे शाहीन आहे
सागर शाईन.
Why do you prefer this one?
हीच का घेत?
कलर म्हणा.
फॉर कलर.
For color?
Yes.
The people like this color?
येस.
हिरवा कलर राहतोय आणि शाईनचा सफेद कलर राहतोय.
इन शाईन व्हरायटी
Okay.
cucumber colors is white
Okay.
and for
त्याचा हिरवा
सागर
राहतो.
green color.
Okay.
याला जास्त बाजार राहतो
Eating for test.
Taste?
Yes.
I should taste. Okay, I'll taste some. I'll taste. Should I take big one or small one?
One.
I'll take this one.
Okay. You will test.
Looks small.
You want
Wash.
to wash in water and
Yes.
that.
No, later. After video, we wash.
Okay.
Okay. Are you the same farmer on the sugarcane farm? Is the sugarcane for you?
Yes, this farm is
It's for the family.
and this farm is this uncle's and this auntie's farm.
So it's more like a family business.
Yes.
Yes.
Family business. This one is for who? This one is for the other family. Okay.
One brother growing the sugar cane. One brother was growing to cucumber.
So big brother growing sugarcane, small brother doing cucumber.
Yes.
So do you also work on the sugarcane? They help each other?
Yes. Supporting for each other.
Okay. Interesting. Then
There
the
is
concept
there
is so
a joint
nice.
family.
Okay.
Not only growing the.
Alagalagata. Okay, you didn't introduce your name yourself.
Yes.
What's your name?
Hello, my name is Aditi and I am from Nasik, India.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you do?
I am studying
What are you studying?
in 7th standard. I am studying.
7th standard.
Yes.
Okay, that's strange to me. We don't have standard. You know what's interesting about your education? You guys learn too much. So in 7th grade, what do you do? What do you study?
So subjects like English,
English and what?
Marathi, Hindi, maths, geography, science, history, civics.
Civics.
Yes.
You study civics too?
Yes.
Okay. After that, what will you study? After completing this one, what will you study?
This subject only.
I mean, when you graduate, what do you study next?
Okay. My ambition.
Yes.
My ambition means I want to become an engineer.
Okay.
I have two platforms: AI engineering
Okay.
and like civil engineering, computer engineering. And yes, I want
What do you like about AI?
AI. AI helps our daily life, and we use it in our daily life, and AI helps us.
Okay. But I mean, you can come and work on the farm, or you don't like the farm work.
For
You
this,
don't want to work on the farm.
I like farms.
You don't want to be a farmer. You want to be AI.
No, I help my family
Okay.
in farm also.
Okay. Where's your dad? This is your dad.
No.
Okay. The first. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's go. Tell me more about the irrigation system. Hello, sir. Let's go so that you tell me more about the irrigation system, how it is created, so that when I go back, I also do the same thing. I want to learn. Tell him that I want to learn about the irrigation system, how they dig it, and how it's constructed.
तुम्ही ते विहीर का खणले रे?
विहीर पाण्यासाठी खणली त्यांनी.
The well is dug for water for this.
Is it dug by machine?
Machine. Yes, by machine.
3 kg motor आहे.
3 kg.
Help in the water. I told tomorrow.
Yesterday.
Yes.
Yes.
3 kg mortar. So they dig for how many days?
किती दिवस ते हे केलं machine?
एक 20 दिवस. 20 days.
20 days.
Yes.
Okay. How expensive is it? Does it?
किती पैसे?
2013 साली खंदेले
हा.
4 लाख रुपये लागले. 4-4.5 लाख रुपये लागले.
The well is dug in 2013. It cost 4 lakh rupees.
4 lakh. Does government support you too? Because all the farmers, every house, well.
Yes, for water. Every farm needs water. So
No, so does government dig for you?
no.
The family digs.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't the government करून देते.
नाही
No government.
गव्हर्नमेंट काय ते कोणतं गव्हर्नमेंट एवढं आहे का?
This is government is very.
Okay, let's go. This is a second well.
Yes.
For which farm?
What
What about the other one?
is used for this all for the from that point.
Okay.
Piping the floating.
Okay. Okay.
This is the first stage.
This is the first stage.
Yes.
Okay. The farm looks so clean. So clean. You do very proper weed control. And this is your cow.
Yes.
The other field too is yours, or different family.
They are different.
The other place,
Yes.
different family. Okay. We are losing sunlight. So this is the family house, and we have the farms all over
The machine.
with the machine.
There is a machine for tractor.
Yes.
This is what you use to make the
This helps land
okay
plain.
plane.
Yes.
Okay.
And
We are losing
is for-
sunlight.
huh?
Oh no. This is for what?
This is used for like this rows.
Yeah, the rows.
Yes.
And this helps in
For
making
plain
it flat.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Say hi to my fans.
Hi. Subscribe this channel and like and share this channel.
Thank you.